this little hump right here. It's killing me. I'm back again, once again, in the car. I might as well just face the camera to the road because you can't even see me. But yeah, a lot of my life is in the car. So I just got off. It's about 5:30. I gotta go pick up my stepdaughter, which is about like 45 minutes to an hour away. And there's usually a lot of traffic too, even on... My eye look weird. My eyelashes are so off today. There's a lot of traffic, so it's 5:30. I bet you I won't be home till like 7:30. We'll see. Let's see. I gotta go pick up my son from daycare. Three.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's do 6.
A or B?
I'll say B.
B. Okay. You're going to have to read this one. It's too much for me to read.
Oh yeah, it is. Is it this one right here?
Yeah, it's this one.
Smile and say hi to a kid you don't know very well today. Okay, let's watch Moana.
This one at school.
Let's take off the makeup. I am so lazy. I just use a makeup wipe. That's why I've never made like a skincare. You know, a lot of people have like skincare routines. I've never made one because a video because I don't have a skincare routine. I'm very lazy. Like, I'll start one up and I'll be like, I'm gonna do this. Ugh, this is the worst part, getting the glue. But yeah, anyways, so I always start one and then I don't finish it. So, sorry that you have to see me in my natural fugliness. I need to do my nails too. I might do my nails. So I was thinking about, hold up. Shit be getting in my eyes. I was thinking about starting to just like vlog more and kind of just do the makeup thing like as a once a week thing. Like a friend of mine who also does YouTube that I used to work with, we were just talking about it, but he was just saying that, like, I was like telling him how I wanted to like switch up my content. And he was like, well, maybe you should do like once a week makeup videos, like makeup Wednesdays. But then I was thinking, which was a good idea, which I'm probably going to start doing. But I think what I'm going to start doing is like tutorial Tuesdays. Just because there's so many makeup videos out there, like, you've seen one, you've seen them all. Not really. I mean, everyone has their own way of creating makeup looks, but I just feel like, for me, I like more real life stuff. And when you're making makeup videos, you have to be like all serious. You're like, then I'm putting the blah 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 on. So with vlogs, you can be more like yourself and just vlog your life and talk about normal shit. But anyways, so this is my Friday night. The kids are watching Moana, which we've seen like a billion trillion times. And then I'm gonna watch Netflix. I might do my nails, or I might just do them tomorrow. Because when I make makeup videos, I don't like to have like ugly nails. So yeah, and I don't get them done anymore, so I just paint them. They don't last long though. So I might do my nails, and then I'm just gonna go to bed, and maybe we'll see you tomorrow. Maybe this will be an end. I'm not sure. Hi. It's Saturday morning. I did my nails with my little sausage fingers. I was actually gonna film a look, a makeup look, obviously. But I forgot that I have a friend coming over. She's actually a friend of mine and my boyfriend's. Well, I met her through him. So she's actually coming over to have midday margaritas with me. Well, she's bringing the margarita stuff. So she texted me and was like, hey, I'm going to the liquor store at 11. And it was like 10:30, and I was like, oh shit. I hadn't cleaned my house or anything, so I had to hurry up and like power clean right now. I just have to finish the dishes. That's why I have no makeup on, but I think I'll just film my video tomorrow since I'm doing it for Tutorial Tuesdays. I think what I'll do is do because I want to get on like an actual schedule instead of just randomly uploading stuff. I don't know, just for me, just so I have some structure, but I'll probably just do the Tutorial Tuesdays and then post my weekly or my weekend. I'm going to do weekend vlogs because my weekdays are just the same thing over and over, work and home. So I'm going to post my weekend vlogs on Fridays for the weekend prior. So yeah, I am going to get ready to have some margaritas. So I'm being so bummy today. Well, not so bummy. This is actually like dressed up bummy for me. Got my slides on, painted my toes white, got my Hilfiger leggings, got my Adidas shirt, and yeah. So I have the whole house clean except for this. You see this? You can judge me because while I'm cleaning, my kids are in here playing, and this is what happens. And it drives me insane. I can't. So as soon as I'm done with the dishes and my friend leaves, because I don't want to be in here cleaning, when she's here, I'm going to tackle this room. My room's clean. My bed is made. I mean, kind of cluttered. I could clean up and stuff, but I'm watching this Renner show. Nice and see. Bathrooms, for the most part, clean. Told them to keep the living room clean. Kitchen is not clean. Okay, so sorry I didn't get back on here. My friend came over and we had margaritas, and then I filmed a look. I always say it wrong. I filmed a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing, and you can't really see, it's kind of dark in my room right now. So I'm eating a quesadilla, watching Renters, or Netflix, whatever. The show's called Renters. The kids are in the living room watching shows. It's about 7, and that's when I start clocking out mentally. So I'll probably, today was just really boring. We went to our visit. My boyfriend was really happy to see the kids because he hadn't seen them for a couple weeks. And then I made the tutorial on this look that I'm wearing, and that's about it. I haven't done too much of anything really. It's kind of a boring, it's nothing to vlog. So tomorrow will probably be pretty much the same. just cleaning up the house, getting ready for the week, the work week. So maybe we'll find something to do next weekend. Kind of a boring vlog, but yeah, by the time you watch this video, this tutorial will already be up on my channel. So I wanted to do like a Valentine's Day look, and then when I started doing it, it was just going a whole different direction. So whatever, works out. So I'm just gonna binge on Netflix and go to bed probably. I might come back tomorrow. We'll see. Oh, hey. So, I woke up this morning. I need to chop my hair off because it was getting it was so long. It was like constantly just tangling. And it actually, I don't know if like some of you have had really long, thick hair, but when it gets to a certain point, it almost kind of hurts your scalp. For me at least, especially like if I have it up, I'll get really bad headaches. So I cut this off today, about 6 inches, and look, that's how long it was. It's still long. It's still down to my chest. I posted it on Snapchat and people were like, why? But I literally look, I feel like I look exactly the same. I could have went shorter, but I did do this at home just because I don't have money to go to the salon and pay for it. If I have to choose between getting my haircut and my son's haircut, I'm gonna have my son's haircut and do my own. So I should have filmed it, but I do everything on my phone, so I don't have very much memory, and I also filmed a tutorial, so I really don't have a lot of memory, so I couldn't really film me cutting it. But what I basically did was put everything in a ponytail. I'll just show you like this, in the front like that, and then cut straight across. And that actually put layers in my hair, if you can see. So I got some layers, and it just feels a lot more healthier. Look at that shine. Like my hair is shiny. And all of this, I feel like was just dead. Like, look at that shit. Bye-bye. So, yeah, that happened today, and I'm happy. I'm happy it's gone. Good riddance. Get some weight off my shoulders. So, we aren't doing much again today. We have a visit later at like 6. Then my stepdaughter's gonna go back to her mom's house, and then we're gonna get ready for work tomorrow. horrible. Today has been a very productive day. I got a lot of so super oily. I got a lot of cleaning, like deep cleaning that needed to be done today. I don't know, like I get in these like moods of actually having my shit together, and then I go through times where I just don't want to do shit. Normally on Sundays I'm not very prepared, but I'm really trying to work on that because not preparing and planning has got me in very bad situations, and I don't want to be like that anymore. Like, I'm gonna be 30 this year, and it's time I act like it. So I cleaned like all this dust that was up here. So normally on Sunday I don't do anything to prepare for Monday, but today I wanted to change that. I got my lunch ready, my breakfast and lunch for work tomorrow, and for like the week too. So that's ready. I'm getting my coffee all ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna put the timer on so it goes off so I have it in the morning. My stepdaughter is spending the night again, so I'm gonna take her to daycare in the morning. So I just want to be really prepared. So that is about it. Kind of a boring vlog. This is my life on the weekends. I actually got a lot of stuff done today, so I didn't film it, but I took out my dryer and like sweeped all the crap that was behind there. I got like dust from all of my cabinets. I cleaned the top of the fridge. Yeah, so I actually got a lot of stuff done today, and I hope that I stay this way. I hope I stay productive. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this. Thanks for watching, and hopefully next weekend will be more eventful, and I'll see you next time. I was getting ready for getting my clothes for tomorrow, and look what I found. I just forgot that I had these. I've been craving chocolate so bad.